Yo, what's up guys? What's up stock seekers? What's up traders? Welcome back to another video. And in this video, we're going to be talking about how to add step 2 to my algo. Now, you guys can see on my screen, I have these blue arrows kind of help me identify trend in the market. And in this video, I'm going to be explaining how to get them onto your charts, which how do I use them in context? I use them to help me identify, okay, are we more in sell side or are we more in buy side? Who is more in control, buyers or sellers? And we can see once high volume comes into here, we can see that the market tanks. And we can give you another example for buyers. Once buyers step into here, we see the market flies. Again, we don't just ever want to use one algo for everything. Like, oh, if I see an arrow go down or up, we just go long or short, because you can see in this example, the algo was wrong. So I want to put everything into context. I have in my other videos on my YouTube page and in my Discord, you guys can see my main algo with these key levels and this trend. If you guys want to watch that, I'll link that video down below in the comments. And then obviously about setting up Thinkorswim and all that stuff, I'll link that down in the comments as well. But again, this video is how do we get these arrows, and what it does, it shows you once in smaller time frame here on the 5-minute, it shows you when we get closer to VWAP, when there's high volume and a high sell side or buy side, the arrow goes off. So again, I use that in conjunction to say, hey, we're in a downtrend, buyers, sellers are stepping off, my algo goes off, we're breaking key level, and I put kind of all that together to help me identify if I want to go short or long. How to actually get this into your actual Thinkorswim, I'm going to leave a code link down below. You're going to go in and hit that code link down below, and it's going to actually put this this screen here for you, and it'll be actually, if you just scroll down here, here's the line of code. All you're going to do is copy this code right here, and you're just going to right click and press copy, and then you're going to want to move on over back to Thinkorswim, and you're going to go to the top right hand corner to studies. You're going to go to edit studies, and then once you hit edit studies, this window right here will pop up. Oh, excuse me. Let me make sure I can actually get it on here. Sometimes, there we go. Hold on. Sometimes my actual thing doesn't want to change on here. Excuse me, guys. Hold on. All right. So there's going to be a studies thing that shows up. Again, you guys can't see this. I'll go ahead and send a screenshot so you guys can actually see what I'm talking about. I don't know why it's not working on here right now, but oh, there we go. Finally pulled up here for you. Sorry about that. But again, you're going to go to here, and then you're going to want to go to a thing where it says create, okay? And you can see where it says create right here. Once you click create, okay, there's going to be another window that pops up. Once that window pops up, it's going to see something like this, okay? Once this pops up for you here, okay, let me go ahead and hold on. Cool. You're going to want to go ahead and delete that code, and all you're going to do is copy and paste the code that we copied and pasted. That line, it'll come up here. You're just going to hit OK. Once you hit OK, you actually see it says new study right here. That obviously we're just going to hit apply. Okay. And then once that pops up there for you, you should be all good to go, and your code will be there, and you'll see those arrows pop up, and you'll be all good to go. So that's again how to put that algo in the charts. Again, sorry for the delay. My OBS was being kind of weird, but again, hope that helped. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments, or if you're part of my team, go ahead and DM me. But again, hope you guys keep staying green. Hope you guys keep staying smart, and I'll see you guys in the next one.